tile floors. Nice clean home. Kitchen. Laundry. Turns back in, looking into the kitchen. 2-car garage. Attic pull down, back in. Pantry area. Kitchen backsplash. Kitchen nook. Back into the living area. And going into the master. Large master. Lots of light. Carpet in good shape. Nice, beautiful tile. Tub, shower. Her closet to clean. His closet. And another closet. Beautiful tile. Going off to the split bedroom plan. Nice house, really nice. One of the bedrooms. Closet. Another bedroom. Very cute. Craft room. Closet. Updated bathroom. Nice tile. Linen. And another bedroom. Very cute. IKEA style. And closet. And now we are going into the backyard. Home is very clean. Everything's in very good condition. Storm door. And backyard backs up. That's a wetland area. There's a little tiny airport on the other side. Not that big, but big enough to have a play area for kids. The yards in Destin are not that big unless you buy an older house.